Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Kawasaki Z750S. This is an inline 4-cylinder 750cc standard style motorcycle. Great for commuting, great for bombing around the Bay Area. It's got a beautiful zero gravity tinted windscreen, mirror extenders to give you a better look over around your shoulders. It also has handlebar extensions to raise the handlebars up about 2 inches. 4-in-1 exhaust, great condition, 26,000 miles for just $29.99. This is a nice low price mid-sized bike. Come by, check it out. We've got financing available. We have extended service contracts. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.